Hello, my name is Michael Holm. I am a barber with 17 years experience. In this video I'm going to show you a very easy method with which you can cut the top of your own hair. Now this method is only useful for what I would describe as a bush haircut, like so when you're stuck at home or you can't get your hair cut. It's not a complete haircut, but it will make your hair very neat when it's finished. Okay, so if you followed my video on how to cut the sides working straight up, then you're halfway there to a full haircut. Go check that video out, it's also on my channel. So let's begin. The first thing you're going to need is your set of clippers. Now I'm using the Wall Seniors, although any set of clippers will do, and I'm going to use a number 3 guard to start with. Okay, now this method is not suitable for Afro-Caribbean hair. Okay, you cannot do this for Afro-Caribbean hair. Similarly, straight hair that stands straight up on end or straight out, sometimes the results aren't exactly what you're looking for. So a slight wave in your hair, perfect. You can try it on very straight hair. It will work, but may end up taking it quite short because it's standing on end. So what we're going to do is, with any comb or brush, you can use a comb or a brush, whatever you want. You could use this type of brush or a comb, anything at all, this type of brush. All you need to do is, let's bring all the hair forwards, okay? Bring it forwards, like this, to start with. This is the starting position. Now what I did was, to get this to lie flat, was I wet my hair down and then I dried it with a hairdryer, just dried it all forwards. And this is the method. It's so simple, okay? Now, switch the clipper on, go to the back of the head, plant it, and just work your way forwards like this. Okay? Like this. Now I can hear it cutting. It's taking hair off, and I'm going with the grain of the hair. So on the side, the hair comes down this way, and that's the direction I'm going to go. Down like this. Okay, this is quite a common method that many barbershops would use. Okay, we're just going with the grain of the hair. Okay, going forwards. Okay. Now I can see there's quite a lot of hair coming off. Forward I go. This is going to work for you guys, I'm telling you. Okay. And down this side. And I'm going to do the back. I know that the direction that the back goes. I can feel it. Now, let's say you wanted it slightly shorter. You can do this with a number 2. Be careful. Just be careful, okay? The shorter that you go with this, the more risk that you're bringing into it, okay? If your hair tends to stand up at the root, then you're going to take this much shorter. But let me show you guys now where we are with this, okay? How much hair have I got left here? Quite a lot. You see that? So what I've done is I've taken a lot of the bulk off of the hair. I've taken a lot of bulk from there. And you can see the sides here, okay? Let me comb down the other side. Okay, so I've neatened it up. Now my fringe isn't exactly straight. It's not what I would call straight, okay? Now, if you have a pair of scissors, this is the way to do it, okay? Take your scissors and just chip across your fringe like this, okay? We hold them like that. The third finger and the thumb. Place one blade on your forehead and just work across like this, okay? And that's it. Okay, so that's me. I've cut the top of my own hair quite easily. I'm not saying that this is the best method that you could use to cut your own hair, but in these circumstances, coronavirus lockdown, it's a very useful method, and I hope that it's been of use to you. Now I normally style my hair like this because my fringe is a little bit sparse, so I just sweep it over like that. Okay. Guys, hit subscribe subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be posting some more videos. The next video is going to be on how you can reduce the depth of your mustache with a set of clippers without obliterating it completely. Okay, I hope this videos have been of use, and good luck with your hair cutting. Post your comments below if you want to see anything else, if there's anything in particular you want to see, and I'll make a video on it. Thank you very much.